Welcome back to the Electronic Team channel. I'm Myky and today I will talk about how to use Dropbox on Mac. I have several Dropbox accounts and use other cloud storage services like Google Drive, OneDrive, iCloud. All of these services have browser versions, but it's not convenient for me to use them in different tabs. That means you need an app for your Mac. But again, I need 3 apps for each service, and they all work in Finder with different limitations. For example, to view the contents of an archive, you first need to unpack it. I talked about this in the video about zip archives. You can watch it here. And if you unpack the archive inside the Dropbox folder, the unzipped files will automatically start uploading to the Dropbox server. But in today's guide, I will show you another way how to use Dropbox to share files. The first and easiest way is to open the browser, go to the official Dropbox website, log into your account, and then simply drag and drop your files into the special window. However, in my opinion, it's not convenient for daily routine. To solve this, Dropbox offers an official app which you can download from its website. But this app allows you to add only 2 accounts, team and personal. Also, there are limitations on the number of devices, and it's difficult to upload files from other cloud services. Let me show you the best way to add Dropbox to Mac. This is Commander 1. As I said before, you can add not only Dropbox and not just 1 or 2 accounts. To get started, download the app from the App Store or the developer's website. Launch the app, you will see 2 panels. In the upper right corner, there is a connection icon. Click on it and you will see a window of available services that can be connected in Commander 1. Next, choose Dropbox from the available services. You will be redirected to the Dropbox authorization window to link with Commander 1. Log in the same way as in the browser version. I use a Google account, then click Allow and that's it. The Dropbox folder is now available in Commander 1. Let me show you the process of uploading to Dropbox. You have 2 panels. In one, you need to open the Dropbox folder. In the other, the folder to which you want to move or copy the file. And then intuitively drag and drop files between the panels or through the context menu. This is how the Add File to Dropbox function works. You can watch another tutorial about how to upload files to Google Drive with Commander 1 right here. Taking this opportunity, I'd like to tell you about the additional benefits of Commander 1. Namely, integration of a large number of other services such as Dropbox, OneDrive, Amazon S3, and others. The ability to search for files everywhere, in your file system, on external media, and in cloud storage. Imagine how cool it is when you can find everything in one place without any additional manipulations. By the way, you don't need to download or extract the archives to view their contents. Finder and the official app cannot do this. There is also a built-in file preview function. You don't need to turn on any separate program to understand what's inside. And if you need to constantly work with a lot of files, just like I do with my files, you can easily use hotkeys for quick actions. These are the main advantages that I have identified for myself. And the most important thing is that I can finally connect a lot of accounts in one place without any worries. And if you like discounts, the developers are offering a special gift for you. Using the link below the video, you will receive a 15% discount. Like this video, subscribe to the channel and see you soon!